Hello East and welcome back to another episode of Twice as Interesting.
Today, we'll be discussing how AI can be used to save lives.
If you've ever read or heard about breast cancer, you've probably heard about mammograms.
If not, they're the method used to detect breast cancer at its earliest stage through the use of low-energy X-rays.
It remains as the standard process for breast cancer detection, but it is not successful 100% of the time.
In fact, Regina Barzilay, a professor at MIT and the recipient of a MacArthur Foundation Genius Grant, had undergone a standard mammogram which failed to detect her cancer.
It was only after being put in a high-risk category that she got an MRI in 2015, which detected the cancer.
The question here is, how could this have been avoided?
In 2015, Barzilay started analyzing 71,000 mammograms from 31,000 patients that had either been diagnosed or had not been. This information was used to train a computer to recognize patterns in the mammograms that are indicators of early stages of breast cancer. Barzilay's goal with this implementation of AI, or artificial intelligence, is to have the ability to predict if a patient will develop breast cancer years before they actually do.
As mentioned before, mammograms aren't always the most reliable. According to Breast Cancer Action, 20% of mammograms turn out to be false negatives.
This basically means that there was no cancer detected when in reality there really was cancer.
In addition to that, 50% of women who receive annual mammograms for 10 years will receive a false positive, which means that there is a cancer detected when there really isn't any cancer at all.
These numbers are alarming because false negatives could lead to the cancer spreading because it wasn't treated, or unnecessary treatment because of false positives.
This is a clear indication that AI is the future of cancer detection because of its astonishing accuracy in comparison to mammograms. It seems that AI will play a major role in this new era of early detection. Breast cancer is only the part of what AI can help detect. Dr. Mehmet Toner, a professor of surgery at Harvard Medical School and professor of biomedical engineering at the Harvard-MIT Division of Health Sciences and Technology, has developed a chip that can locate a single tumor cell in a tube of 10 billion cells. Toner believes that it would be possible to detect diseases ranging from cancer to Alzheimer's by detecting particles in the bloodstream that are out of place. The test would also be able to locate cells that are abnormal and before they even become cancerous. According to experts, the blood test would be able to detect that someone is at risk of developing heart disease 10 years before they do.
As history has shown, technology and medicine will keep advancing side by side.
There have been significant advances in the fight against breast cancer and other diseases, which we can thank the brilliant minds behind the research for.
We have to remember that it's our duty as a race to keep innovating in order to improve the lives of our family and others around us.
This was Twice as Interesting, signing out.